Greetings to the viewers. Today, I am interested to share some important information about using tablets safely and effectively. Tablets are a popular form of medication because they are convenient and easy to swallow, but it's important to use them correctly to get the best results. Here are some tips for using tablets. Read the label carefully before taking your tablet. Make sure you understand the instructions and any warnings. Swallow your tablet whole, with a glass of water. Don't crush, break, or chew it unless your doctor or pharmacist tells you to. Take your tablet at the same time every day, to keep a consistent level of medication in your body. Store your tablets in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight and moisture. If you have trouble swallowing tablets, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. They may be able to recommend a different form of medication. Thanks for watching.